Hello everyone and welcome to a new ServiceTonic video. In this video, we will explain the second part of the knowledge base. Now that we know how to manage libraries and topic trees, we will learn about a new feature. This feature allows us to add topics directly from our tickets based on their categorization using solution-type responses from our agents. For example, imagine we have a ticket categorized as an incident related to software, specifically about Power BI. If this issue has been resolved and we think it could be helpful to add it to the KB because it might happen again in the future, we can easily do so with just one click from the ticket. This will automatically add it to the KB and organize it thanks to a prior configuration. To set this up, the first step is to include all the ticket fields that we think are necessary. To do this, we go to Administration, Service Desk, and Field Management. Once there, we simply need to find the desired fields in the list, such as Category and Subcategory, and mark the checkbox for categorization. After marking the checkbox, whenever we solve a ticket and select the option to generate a solution, like in this ticket here, we go to Generate, Solution, and a pop-up will appear where we can add a topic with the problem description and its solution, which are automatically linked. We also have the option to edit the topic's text. As you can see, we can specify the language, the library where the topic will be added, and the access level for visitors to the topic. Finally, as you can see here, the keywords we will view are the two fields we added for categorization. These are automatically pulled from the ticket. For example, if we check the ticket details, we will see the category field with the value of software and the subcategory field with the value BI. Once the topic's ready, we click on Generate and it's done. Now to quickly verify, we go to the KB, select the IT Solutions library where we linked the topic, click on Software, then BI, which is the subcategory, and here is our newly created topic related to BI. Lastly, it might be a good idea to create a specific library where all these topics with unique categorizations are added. Over time, the various values from the selected fields will build up in the library, creating a unique, categorized knowledge base. And that's it for the second part of the knowledge base video. For any questions, comments, or suggestions, feel free to contact our support team through the usual channels. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.